Hey everyone, it's SACHKO, and I'm back with another four drawing prompts this time. I think it was just 3 last time. Was it just 3? Yes, it was Lucas and Alex and then 2 falling stars. Yikes, can't even remember. This time it's mostly Bokura no Monogatari, and then it's one with my 2 main characters from Ichiban Idol as well. So this first one was Skin on Tsubasa, and it was cute. It was really cute. I liked it. And the second one, which is gonna be Yoru Haruka, is probably my favorite. I think mostly because I colored it. I don't do a lot of color work of my characters anymore, and whenever I do, it feels great because, like, yes, this is what they look like. I don't know, maybe that's weird, but yeah. And it's really cute too, this one of Yoru and Haruka, because, like, their relationship is kind of sad actually, because it's like it's an arranged marriage and it happened earlier than expected and whatever. So they're mostly like, it took them a long time to get along, and when they finally started getting along well, it was just like the sweetest thing ever. I don't know, I need to write more stories from when these characters are adults, so you can actually, because I have a lot of that stuff in my head, but the stories I have available are still like them in high school, and Haruka isn't even a thing then. So yeah, I need to write more, basically, so you guys get to know all the sweet stuff that happens when they're in their 20s rather than their teen years. So yeah, this is the longest one too, since I colored it and all. I just really I like the way Yoru's expression turned out, and I like the way Haruka's expression turned out. Overall, it's cute. I like it. Am I allowed to be this proud of my own drawings? Yes, that is a definite yes. You are allowed to be that proud. You're allowed to be proud of the stuff you make. You don't have to hate everything. But yeah, so I haven't done much this week. We at work, we have a lot of stuff going on, and I don't know, I'm just trying not to get too stressed out about it. By the way, sometimes these video files from Procreate, I saw it just now, they flicker to a gray screen, like there's some kind of corruption in the video footage, and I'd like to know if that just happens on my end, or if it's happening for you guys on YouTube as well, because in the last video I cut some of that stuff out, and but sometimes it's like it's not always in the same place. That's why I think it's sort of a my video codex thing rather than an actual video corruption thing, because it's never in the same place. So if you guys could tell me if you see this sort of gray out flickering, that would be great, because then I know it's a video thing and not a codec thing. The third one is Sigma and Epsilon. This little sketch here at the beginning I actually saved as a separate file because it turned out cute. I didn't end up using it for the actual finished sketch doodle because I wanted Epsilon to put in some work. He's very lazy. I think it began with, like, he has lazy hands. Whenever I draw Sigma and Epsilon interacting, Epsilon rarely uses his hands. Usually he rests them on Sigma, but it's like his fingers are curled in or something. Like he doesn't grab. Is that a Anyway, I made him work for it this time. Last one was Mars and Venus, and this one turned out really cute. It started out super ugly. I know when I was doodling it, I was just like, this is not good. I need to start over. But I kept working on it. And by the time I was doing this sketch, I'd figured out the HB pencil thing that I talked about in the last drawing from the previous video. So I was sort of just working on it more and more, and it ended up looking really cute. I actually used the liquify tool a bit on this too, just to shrink some features and move stuff around. That really helped. So suffice to say, I'm enjoying my time with Procreate. I did start inking it, but after checking the ink, after I did the faces, I was just like, it's losing its spirit. So I ended up scrapping the ink and just using the sketch instead because it looked so cute. Hope you guys are still doing well. As I said, stuff going on at work right now. Hopefully we'll be done by the end of next week. But yeah, Still trying to figure out a good way to do my the project I talked about last time. So we'll see what happens with that. Yeah, I need to stop talking because I'm just babbling now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon again. Until then, bye!